Welcome back. Today we are diving into a household hero with a twist, baking soda. Not only does it make your cakes rise, it also offers a variety of health benefits. Join us as we explore the 9 powerful health benefits of baking soda. Do stick around until the end, where we will share with you how you can keep your feet smelling great as well. And if you like this video, do give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Mouthwash. Adding mouthwash to your dental hygiene regimen helps reach the corners and crevices of your teeth, gums, and tongue that you may miss when brushing. Baking soda is a popular mouthwash substitute. It may refresh breath and have antibacterial and antimicrobial qualities, according to research. Baking soda mouthwash boosted saliva pH, which inhibits bacterial development, but it didn't reduce oral bacterial counts, according to one research. Make your own baking soda mouthwash by adding 1 teaspoon to a glass of warm water and swishing as normal. You may also add a few drops of essential oils such as tea tree, peppermint, and eucalyptus to your mouthwash as well, as they have antibacterial and antiseptic properties too, and will give you a refreshing and clean breath. Number 2. Canker sores. Canker sores are small, painful ulcers that can form inside the mouth, often under the tongue or on the inner cheeks. They can be caused by minor injuries, stress, hormonal changes, or vitamin deficiencies. While not contagious, canker sores can be quite bothersome and sore. Luckily, baking soda is an effective home remedy that can help reduce canker sore pain and irritation. Baking soda helps to neutralize acids and alkalize the area, creating an environment less hospitable for the canker sore bacteria. When used as a mouthwash, baking soda can temporarily reduce inflammation and soreness. Make the mouth rinse as shared earlier. Swish the rinse in your mouth for 30 seconds, concentrating on the area of the canker sore, then spit it out. Do this 1 to 2 times daily. The abrasive texture also helps remove debris from the sore site. While it won't cure the sore completely, baking soda can provide soothing relief so you can eat and talk more comfortably while the canker sore heals. Number 3. Teeth whitener. Baking soda is a common home cure for whitening teeth. Many studies have shown that toothpaste with baking soda whitens teeth and removes plaque better. This may be because baking soda has moderate abrasive qualities that break tooth staining molecules. Its antibacterial and antimicrobial characteristics may help combat dangerous microorganisms. The mildly abrasive texture of baking soda helps scrub away stubborn stains on the tooth enamel surface. However, excessive use of abrasives like baking soda could wear away enamel over time. To use baking soda for whiter teeth, combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a bit of water to create a paste. Carefully brush with this mixture for 2 minutes, avoiding aggressive scrubbing, which could damage enamel over time. It's best to limit baking soda brushing to 1 or 2 times per week. Be sure to still see your dentist regularly for professional cleanings and checkups, as baking soda alone is not enough for thorough dental care. Think of it as enhancing your usual oral hygiene routine, not replacing proper treatment. Number 4. Acid reflux. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, plays an important role in digestion by neutralizing stomach acid. This helps maintain the right pH level needed for properly breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Sometimes, folks produce too much stomach acid, leading to acid reflux or heartburn. This is when acid backs up into the esophagus, causing irritation and a burning feeling. Baking soda can provide temporary relief by neutralizing some of that excess tummy acid and bringing the pH closer to the ideal range. This allows the esophagus time to heal and prevents further irritation. Baking soda also helps activate enzymes needed to properly digest nutrients. Although it shouldn't be used long term, baking soda's neutralizing abilities can occasionally ease acid reflux discomfort and support digestion. Lemon essential oil may be more effective in managing acid reflux instead. Lemon essential oil has alkalizing effects, aiding digestion and balancing the body's pH. For more uses of lemon essential oil, do check out my other video on lemon essential oil after you have finished this video. I have left the link in the description down below. Number 5. Exercise endurance booster. Baking soda is a natural remedy that can improve athletic performance by neutralizing lactic acid produced during intense exercise. This neutralizes the acidity, preventing muscle soreness and fatigue, and improving overall exercise capacity. Baking soda's buffering action maintains a balanced pH, increasing oxygen uptake. To effectively use baking soda, athletes should understand the appropriate dosing and timing to maximize its benefits, while minimizing potential gastrointestinal side effects. Number 6. Skin soother. Baking soda is a natural remedy for soothing skin afflicted by allergies and insect bites and antipyretic properties. Its mild alkaline nature neutralizes irritants and toxins, providing relief from discomfort. For insect bites, a paste made from baking soda and water can draw out venoms and agents, calming the urge to scratch. For skin allergies, a baking soda bath or gentle application can alleviate itching and irritation. To prepare a baking soda bath, add 1 to 2 cups or 220 to 440 grams of baking soda to a lukewarm bath. Soak the afflicted area thoroughly. To treat specific locations, mix baking soda and water and apply a thick layer topically. Number 7. Gout attack mitigator. Baking soda can also be used as an adjunctive remedy for gout, an inflammatory arthritis caused by the formation of uric acid crystals in joints. Its high alkalinity increases uric acid solubility, making it easier for the body to eliminate it through urine. This reduces the risk of gout attacks, accompanied by intense pain and inflammation. However, excessive baking soda intake can disrupt the body's pH balance and cause complications. I'd recommend using lemongrass essential oil for gout as a natural remedy instead. Number 8. Natural deodorant. Amazingly, human perspiration is odorless. Sweat only smells when armpit germs break it down. These bacteria turn perspiration into odor-causing acidic waste. Baking soda is used as a natural deodorant to reduce sweat's acidity, although research is few. Make homemade deodorant by slapping baking soda on your armpits or combining it with coconut oil, shea butter, or corn flour. You may also wish to add essential oils to your homemade deodorant with an aroma you love as well. Some great options are tea tree essential oil, bergamot essential oil, and geranium essential oil. I have left their links in the description box down below if you'd like to find out more about what these essential oils can do. Number 9. Food odor fixer. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that can help combat food odor by absorbing moisture and neutralizing unpleasant smells. When used in a foot bath, it creates an environment inhospitable to bacteria that contribute to odor. Tea tree essential oil, with its antifungal and antibacterial properties, enhances the deodorizing effect and provides additional protection against odor-causing microbes. To prepare a foot bath, dissolve baking soda in warm water and add a few drops of tea tree essential oil. This solution cleanses the skin, reduces perspiration, and eliminates bacteria that causes odor. It also soothes tired muscles and prevents fungal infections like athlete's feet. To learn more about tea tree oil's other uses and benefits, do check out my other video on tea tree oil in the link above and in the description box down below. And there you have it, 9 health benefits of baking soda with a side of safety. It's clear that this common kitchen ingredient has some surprising perks for your health. What are your thoughts on baking soda's health benefits? Will you give them a try? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn the amazing health benefits of baking soda. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.